Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to review iPad 2017 version. So without any delay, let's get started. Let's turn on the device. You can see the Apple logo. It took about 20 seconds to turn on the device. This is better than the most of the flagship smartphone. It didn't take much time to turn on the device. Now let's see the build quality of the iPad. Dual stereo speakers and lightning cable connector located at the bottom. There's nothing on the left side of the iPad. On the top of the iPad, there is a 3.5 mm head jack and a microphone hole and as well as power button. Finally, on the right side of the device, there is a volume rocker button. This is only Wi-Fi built-in version. You can't insert SIM cards, so there is no SIM tray. The screen is 9.7-inch display with 2048 into 1536 resolution, as well as the display is retina. At the back there is a fully metal built body. There is a iPad text and Apple logo as well in the back. Top left of the corner at back there is a 8 megapixel camera. At front there is a 1.2 megapixel camera. At front there is a Touch ID home button. The bezels are a bit thicker but it can be manageable. The processor is Apple A9 and having 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of inbuilt storage. Let's move further. Now let's check the weight of the device. You may guess the weight of the iPad. Pause the video and comment the weight of the iPad. Let me guess, it may weigh about 450 grams. Wow, it weighs more than half a kilo. Because of its 8827 mAh huge battery. You can use this iPad a whole day with a single go. Now let's come to accuracy of the fingerprint scanner. Out of 10, it unlocks iPad 9 times. So the accuracy rate of fingerprint scanner is damn high. If you come to about phone section, you can see the software version. It is running on 14.4. The model name iPad 5th generation. Model number, serial number, and as well as some storage capacities. If you come to display and brightness, there's a light and dark theme that you can see in every smartphones nowadays. The downside of this iPad is you can't use Apple Pencil in this version. Let's check the camera. So let's capture the image of laughing Buddha. The camera is 8 megapixel on the rear. The image quality is very good that you can see. If I can zoom in, the detailing is very good. Color balance, contrast, brightness also balanced good. Video can be captured at 1080p at 30 fps, 720p at 120 fps with HDR and stereo sound recording. If you come to selfie camera, there's a 1.2 megapixel camera with face detection, HDR and panorama. You can shoot with 720p at 30 fps. Now let's see the app opening speed. Let's clear all the application running in the background. Now let's open some random applications. Let's open YouTube. So now you can see it loads very fast, so there's no issue with opening speed. Opening Prime Videos. Opening Google Chrome. The loading speed is very good. Settings. You can see there's no lag in between scrolling the pages. If you hear the name of Apple, the first thing pops up everyone's mind is that Siri. Hey Siri, how are you?
Hello, I'm fine. Thanks.
Sing me a song, Siri.
I'd rather not.
What are you doing?
Just thinking about the physics of elastic and inelastic collision via the dispersion of kinetic energy and the conservation of angular momentum. In other words, both
Self-destruct. Self-destruct.
goodbye would be more polite.
So the conclusion is Siri is well trained. Now let's come to gaming section. This iPad has PowerVR GT7600 GPU with dual stereo speaker. It sounds very good. So let's play Shadowgun War game. If you are a heavy gamer, this iPad will not unsatisfy you. There is no lag in between the games or any frame drop that I observed. So you can see the gameplay in this iPad is very good, very satisfaction. There is no heating issue as well. You can play the games for very long time. Retina high resolution display, dual stereo speakers, and as well as 9.7-inch huge display. You can play any big games like PUBG, COD Mobile or any other games without any lag. If you are a live streamer in YouTube and this iPad is for you, in case if you live stream the mobile games, you can play the games up to 4 to 5 hours on a single charge. So it has a huge 8827 mAh battery. This iPad is getting regular updates even after 2 years. So the iOS version is still on the top. Maximum good games are free in the Apple Store, so you need not to worry about that. This iPad remains a powerful engaging device. Whether you delve into innovative touchscreen games or use a controller for a game console style experience, and whether you have an iPad, iPad mini or anything in between that, Apple marketing the iPad as a gaming device makes sense. 60% of the gamers play mobile games on the iPad. The iPad is a great device that's capable of powerful gaming, but it's not a home console. Let's talk about storage. If you don't have a ton of apps or games on your iPad, 32GB or 64GB can work. If you have a fair number of apps and games, consider 180GB or 256GB. If you plan to do any graphics heavy design, get 512GB model. So now let's talk about RAM management. Let's open previously opened apps that are running in the background. You can see settings and camera opened very quickly. Let's open heavy. Amazon Prime opened very quickly, no issue in that. The Chrome reloaded twice. Also Flipkart is reloading. Now let's open the game. You can see that it is reloading. But if you open offline games, small games, it will not reload. If you open hundreds of applications in the background, still there is no lag in the home screen while scrolling. So you can use this iPad without any headache of lag. Now let's see the video quality of this device. Let's open some 4K good content. Let's play the video. Now set the resolution of this video to 720p. You can see the video quality is very crisp. The color comes out very good. The viewing angle of this device is also very good. The brightness is maximum, you can see, but under the sunlight, direct sunlight, display struggles. If you are planning to buy this device to watch Netflix, Amazon Prime or to watch movies, then this device is for you. Now let's hear some audio. Let's test the audio quality. Let's play some no copyright songs.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways.
Audio quality of dual stereo speaker is very good. You won't regret if you buy this device. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe. Thank you. We will meet in the next video.